Okay, so today in our kitchen, we are all gonna fix that one drawer. You know the one, the junk silverware utensil drawer that somehow eats forks and hides knives. So we're gonna use this 9-piece bamboo kitchen organizer set. And I've been so excited to try this because it's expandable but customizable, and it comes with a removable knife block. So many different ways you can do this and adjust it to your needs. So excited, you guys, because no one has the same exact drawer as the next person. First impression is this bamboo is really pretty. It has that neutral, warm look that fits so well with the farmhouse, barn door, and cozy kitchen vibes. It feels solid too. It's not thin or flimsy. What's nice is you can move these dividers around, adjust the width, and decide where everything goes. I'm gonna go ahead and make spots for forks, spoons, butter knives, steak knives, cooking utensils, and even the removable knife block. And yes, my drawer has never looked this organized in its life. So let's go ahead and load it up. Everything fits so neatly, nothing is overlapping, nothing is sliding around. You can open and close the drawer and nothing is going back and forth in the drawer. I'm not having to dig for 5 minutes just to find a spoon. The knife block is such a nice bonus too. It keeps sharp knives stored and separated, which is great if you have kids or just don't want to grab a blade by accident. I love that it actually comes with the steak knives. How cool is that? This set is perfect if you loved organized kitchens, are tired of messy drawers, if you want a custom fit, if you like the natural wood decor, or you just want less daily chaos. Now, we were sent this to test out, and this made my kitchen instantly feel calmer, and it's a small change, but it makes cooking and cleanup so much easier.